On today's video, I'd love to begin by saying a big thanks for all of the love that we've been receiving from the previous videos, all the comments, the suggestions, the requests that have trickled in. Thank you so much. And on today's video, we get to honor one of your requests by making a tutorial requested by your Ghanaian subscribers showing how to make a beaded bracelet tutorial of the Ghanaian flag. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So for the bracelet that we're making today, we're going to require the following: a 0.30 millimeters fishing line like this. This is what we use. Next, we're going to need a nail cutter to cut the fishing line, and also you're going to require beads for this project. For the Ghanaian flag, I noticed we have the red color on the flag. We have a black star that we'll be using the black beads for. We have the green part that symbolizes the country's rich forests. We're going to need the green beads, and also finally we're going to need the gold beads to represent the gold color, which represent the mineral wealth of the country. So you pour your working colors into your working plate. So the green, the red beads, black and yellow stroke gold beads. For the people who know the correct colors, kindly let us know on the comments down below if the flag has, is it yellow beads, is it supposed to be yellow beads or gold beads? Is the color really yellow or gold? Kindly let us know on the comments below, because from my research it says on paper that it's gold, but the actual flag looks like it's yellowish, so you can let us know. So after cutting your fishing line approximately 16 inches to 24 inches length, you begin by the basics, which are you pick 4 beads, which are we'll pick 3 green beads on the right, and then 1 green bead on the left that we will pass through the fishing line. Once you hold the green bead like that, you pass the other end of the fishing line through like that. That is crisscrossing. So we are going to be doing a lot of crisscrossing, so kindly please mark and make sure that you have understood crisscrossing. After crisscrossing, you'll have your basic beads will look like that. The 4 beads will look like that, and then we continue. You pick a yellow bead on the right, then you pick a yellow bead on the left and another yellow bead on the right, and then you crisscross like that. It's the same thing that we were doing, but that's crisscrossing. You pass the fishing line through the other end, then you pull your fishing line, both ends, make sure that they're balanced. You should have something that looks like that. Then you proceed, you pick a yellow bead from the right, 1 yellow bead on the left, and then you pick a final red bead, you pick a yellow bead, yeah, and then you crisscross like that. You should make sure you have something that looks like this, and also make sure that in all these steps that you are doing, you go with us step by step so that you get it right. Continue. You pick a yellow bead on the right, a yellow bead on the left, then you pick a red bead and you crisscross like that, and then you pull. You should have something that looks like this, and then you continue. The next step that we are doing is also making a corner, so kindly make sure that you get it right. You pick a red bead on the left, another red bead on the left, those are two beads on the left, then you pick a red bead on the right, then you crisscross on the red bead from the right, then you pull. Make sure that your fishing line is always balanced. By pulling, you should have something that looks like this. And also, if you observe it keenly, you can see that the fishing line direction has changed. Right now we have made a corner, so kindly be keen, because that is where most of us get lost. And then you pick the fishing line from the top. You pick two red beads from the left, and red bead from the right, one red bead from the right, and then you crisscross on it like that, and then you pull. You should have something that looks like this. I hope you're all together. Make sure that your artwork looks like this. Then we proceed. You you pick the fishing line from the left side, and then you pass it through the bead, the yellow bead, like that. Make sure that you do exactly as we have shown you. You should have something that looks like this. Then you pick a yellow bead from the right and a yellow bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left, pull. You should have something that looks like this. Make sure kindly that in every step we are together. And then you pass again the fishing line from the left through the yellow bead like that, slowly, like that. Then we continue. You pick a yellow bead from the right, yellow bead from the left, then you crisscross on the left yellow bead. I hope we are all here. So you proceed by passing the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. You should have something that looks like this. Then we proceed. Pick a yellow bead on the right, a green bead on the left, then you crisscross like that. You should have something that looks like this. You pass the fishing line through the green bead like that. And then you should have something that looks like this. You pick a green bead from the right, a green bead from the left, then you crisscross on the green bead from the right. If it's your first time making a beadwork, a beaded bracelet, or anything to do with beads, kindly check on our playlist. We have several tutorials on beadwork, because the pattern is just the same. It's only that the colors that we change, so you can be able to learn more slowly, or you can get more tricks on how to do this. so that you can be able to do it more easily. So we proceed by picking two green beads on the right and one green bead on the left, on which we crisscross on the green bead from the left, and then you should have something that looks like this. I hope we are all together by there. Then you continue, you pass the fishing line on the left through the yellow bead like that, and then you pick a yellow bead on the right and a yellow bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left. If you're keen enough, you can notice that this is the same thing we're just repeating. It's only that the colors we are changing, but the pattern is just the same. We are repeating the same pattern over and over again. You continue, you pick a yellow bead on the right, a yellow bead on the left, you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left. For those who are Ghanaians, kindly let us know if this is supposed to be the yellow color or it's supposed to be a gold color, because from my research I learned that it's supposed to be gold, but from the pictures I've seen online, the flag looks like the color is yellow. So please let us know in the comments below. Also let us know in the comments below what you'd love to see next and your recommendations. We proceed right now on the red. You pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. And then now we go to another column.